Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So how did 2025 treat you? Smooth and steady? Or did you feel like certain parts of your life were strangely stuck? Here's the thing. Your home's energy shifts every single year. And if some areas of your life felt heavy and unbalanced, it might be because the energy in your space was working against your goals without you realizing it. And if you stay with me through this video, you will know exactly which area of your home can support your career, relationships, health, or finances the most this year, without moving furniture or buying anything new. Just a simple awareness and a few easy adjustments. Let's take a look at your home's 2026 Flying Star chart. Here's what I want you to do right now. Imagine dividing your home into a 9-square grid, like a tic-tac-toe board. Take a moment and figure out where your living room, study, bedroom, and kitchen are located within that grid. Which section does each room fall into? Once you've mapped that out, stay with me, because I'm going to walk you through each of the 9 flying stars in order, starting from number 1 all the way to the number 9. And more importantly, I'll tell you exactly what to do if a key room, like your living room or office, is in that star's sector. Let's begin with the one white star in the center, career and networking energy. If your living room or office is here, keep it open and add a small mental object to enhance the flow. Next, the 2 black stars in the northwest. Health awareness, especially for elders. Keep this area quiet and clutter-free. Avoid the renovations here. The 3 jet stars in the west. Watch for arguments. If your living room is here, use calm blue or green decor and practice extra patience. Now the 4 green stars in the northeast. This is your creativity and learning powerhouse. If your home office or study lands here, you are in an excellent position this year. This star supports writing, brainstorming, and breakthrough ideas. Students and creativities especially benefit. Activate this area with plans or keep your study material well organized here. Pause for a moment. Have you figured out where your most important workspace is on the grid? If it's in the northeast, this is your year for creative momentum. Then in the south, the 5 yellow star. This is the star that needs your attention most. 5 yellow brings obstacles and can affect health if not handled carefully. If your bedroom is here, make this space your calm sanctuary. No arguments, no loud noises. If your living room is here, avoid major renovations or excessive activity. The key remedy: keep this area quiet and stable. A metal object like a wind chain or metal ball can help neutralize the heavy energy. Think of this area as needing energy rest this year. Don't overstimulate it. Over in the north, the 6 white star. Authority and help for people. Great for career growth. Keep this area well lit and tidy. In the southwest, the 7 red star. Potential for conflicts. Keep decor neutral and bring actual awareness to communication here. Now the powerful 8 white star in the east. This is your 2026 wealth generator. The star everyone wants to know about. If your main door or living room is in the east, you are in a fantastic position to attract financial opportunities and growth. This star supports prosperity, positive momentum, and material success. What to do? Keep this area active and vibrant. Good lighting, open space, and movement here all help. One exception: if this is your bedroom, don't try to activate it too much. Just enjoy the gentle positive wealth energy while you rest. The add white is strong this year. If your key spaces align with it, lean into that energy. Finally, the 9 purple star in the southeast. Joy, celebration, and harmony. If your living room is here, expect more social gatherings. Use warm lighting and embrace the festive energy. So now you know where all 9 stars are. Here's what matters most. You don't change your space for the stars. You understand how the stars affect your most important goals. Flying stars are annual energies. They are temporary. You don't need to renovate or spend thousands of dollars. Think of it this way. If you have changing star like fire yellow, you calm it with metal energy and quietness. If you have a beneficial star like add white or full green, you activate it with light, movement, and your presence. But here's the key. Your awareness and intention are more powerful than any object. When you understand your home's energy map, you naturally adapt. You might work in the full green area when you need creative breakthroughs. You use a quiet space when you need patience and focus. The goal is to work with these energies, not stress over them. Simple shifts, big impact. So that's your 2026 Flying Star Roadmap. You now know where the energy is moving in your home and how to work with it, not against it. Now your home is just one piece of the puzzle. What about you personally? In my next video, I'm covering the 2026 Chinese Zodiac forecast. Which signs will have breakthrough opportunities? Which needs to be cautious? And how can you maximize your luck based on your birth year? Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss it. And if this helped you, give it a like and drop a comment. Which flying star are you working with this year? See you in the next video, and here's to your Harmonia 2026.